Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, I'll do a quick walk around as well before I go back inside. I'm not sure how much I can see in the dark. That's looking from the back towards the front underneath. There's that little gap under there. Okay, that'll be all.